Hi, my name is Joel, and this is my Unreal demo reel using Lyra video game. For this game, I had the idea to give it an industrial and post-apocalyptic style using everything that Unreal could give me and hardware scenes, do-yourself and experimental stuff. For this kind of sounds, I used things like a custom Game Boy with LSDJ, using tables to make short sounds and some noises. Pistol gun is a mix of Game Boy sounds and real pistol guns with different reverb depending where you are. To remove reverb, I used Isotope RX10, and to give it an extra reverb, I did with an original one from Ableton Live. Then I used some flanger effects and a little compression to mix everything. For the first rifle and the pistol gun, there are some sounds beating a box and modeled on Live 10, and other ones using Erika Sin's bassline auto-oscillating. In the second rifle, I used 3 synthesizers in Unreal and one of them with an LFO with a very low value to give a very fat sound. I recorded the footsteps in different places and added a flanger with inputs to control those values in all the children meta sounds that are using this one to optimize resources. Here I recorded sounds in the train using a contact mic and noises with the Soma header. I recorded a water heater too and my modded Speak and Spell. Like I wanted something organic, everything is triggered with random time. For when the player dies, I used some experimental sounds from the Speak and Spell with a granular synth from Unreal trying to recreate that a machine is destroyed. Also, I created some percussive sounds to give it more intensity using a spring delay with a contact mic and a flanger. To create the player respawn sound, I used some recordings beating a plate and then I removed transients to make it sound like a clock, and distorted a bit in Unreal. Then I combined this sound with other synth layers to do it more industrial. For when the character picks up a weapon, I used a lot of layers created with all my scenes, and then mixed with Unreal doing some mixes for low, mid and high frequencies. I applied this method to a lot of meta sounds too. One thing that I used a lot is to create sounds focused in high and mid frequencies using the granulator and wavetable scenes from the Waldorf Quantum, and the lower frequencies using the Moog. And this is a demo of the result.
Stop.